Lone worker are those who work by themselves without close or direct supervision, making safety measures critical in protecting them from the hazards and risks that come with job. Lone worker operate in environments where immediate help is not always available, whether it's forest ranger in vast wilderness or a technician in remote industrial areas. The risks are real accidents without immediate aid, health emergencies with delayed response. Vulnerability to aggression are just some of the dangers these brave individuals face every day. Implementing specific actions and policies protect lone worker effectively. Having rigid safety plan and protocol can help ensure their safety and protection even while isolated. So, we introducing the Lone Worker Safety Tracker by Nex-G Automation, a compact, intelligent safety device designed to protect workers in high-risk and remote environments. Whether on construction sites, electrical towers, mining zones, oil and gas fields, or night security shifts, this powerful device ensures help is always within reach. With just one press of the dedicated SOS button, an emergency alert is instantly sent along with real-time GPS location to supervisors and control room dashboard. Equipped with advanced GPS and GLONASS positioning, the tracker provides continuous live tracking, geofencing, and route history, giving complete visibility of your workforce. If a worker experiences a sudden fall, the built-in 3-axis accelerometer automatically triggers an alert. If no movement is detected for a predefined time, inactivity monitoring ensures immediate notification. Powered by reliable 4G LTE connectivity with 2G fallback, the device guarantees seamless communication even in challenging environments. Compact, lightweight, rugged, with long battery life lasting a full shift and an IP-rated industrial-grade enclosure, it's built for the toughest job sites. Connected to a secure cloud dashboard, mobile app, and API integration, safety managers can monitor, respond, and act in real time. Because when every second matters, protection must be instant. Nex-G Lone Worker Safety Tracker. Smart protection for those who work alone. For your more information, contact Nex-G.